Right, we're back on the 22 today to do the head chuffing problem. Take the air manifold off there. We just removed the head. There's a cylinder head. The injector was really tight in it, so that's going to be all cleaned up. And I'll pass you up to, I don't know if you can see it from there. Maybe a bit oily hands in it.
Yeah, give me some sure.
We got you. Got a bag. I don't know. Unless I come round, I don't know. My hands are clean now.
Oh, I'm black.
Yeah. Yeah.
Blowing a ring here, that was
yeah. If you pull a ring off and we'll show them.
Give me the camera, I'll just show people. There's a cylinder. And there's a ring. Let me see. Torch. The ring.
It is knackered.
Burnt completely through.
Yeah,
Mark, down back out.
Right. Yeah, so yeah, she's blown right through. Got some got replacement.
Cylinder seems to be all intact.
Yeah. I'll show you what it should look like. It's in here somewhere. No, it's in here. Oh, it's in here somewhere. There it is. That's the rings should look like. That's it. It's a new one. Yeah. She's well blown. She's right size as well. And
one chuffing problem.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you look at the previous videos of it being loaded and moved around, you hear the chuffing on the machine. So basically you're going to take all this back home, clean it all up, and go from there. Then re-ring it for the new ringing. But yeah, so look at the other jobs as well. We're looking at the stuck rear brake drum clutch.
Is that spanning over?
Which one? The bent? The
yeah, we show them what's what.
Must be up the top, is it? Yeah, so she needs a good clean.
One special tool.
Yeah. Yeah, these that's interesting. Looks like, I don't know whether there's O-rings behind there or not, like a Volkswagen Beetle engine, but that looks solid, that does. It's part of it.
Yeah. Connected to the push rods there.
Yeah.
She looks so. See?
Yeah, it's basically a bloody good clean-up it needs. And that's the thanks to Marcus, get me onto eBay for the special spanner. And yeah, the rest of the machine's taking shape as well. We got the front panels now done. The roof section in. We could clean the cab out. We're going to do some bit of plating at the top, which we'll have a look in a minute. But yeah, she's getting there. But this was the frustrating problem, which sort of diagnosed early days, but we were hoping it would be just an exhaust manifold joint, but it was a compression chuff, so it was a lot worse. So that's it for now. It's just a cleaning down time. But she's blown right through. So till next time.